Here's Cali app calorie tracker. Let's just do a quick overview. So first of all, this app not available as a free app. They don't have free options. They just have like a free trial on a yearly plan. So they weekly plan $10 and yearly plan like $30 something. So I will show you upgraded version, not just onboarding. I have like onboarding video on my channel. Yeah, basically one of the top AI calorie trackers app right now. I think it's super easy to use. It doesn't have this like 20 different buttons and menus for diet apps. Super easy to use, nicely designed. Really like the minimalist design in here. So super cool. If you want to get your dream body, Cali I will help you get there with less time spent than anyone else. We aren't another complicated diet app. We want to empower everyone to be confident in their bodies with minimal time spent, but you have to work hard. We will support you and give you the tools and information you need. Just snap a picture of your food, then let us do the rest. Track your progress as you go. Then you can just open it up. So here it is. Here is the app, how it looks like. You just, again, this is upgraded version, so you're getting this if you paid weekly or if you upgrade it to yearly. So you enter first of all your height, your weight, your age, your goals, and then based on that, AI calculates how many calories you have per day. So it can be, for example, 2000 calories, and then you just log your food. So you can either look through food database. So for example, let's say I just had some porridge. So for example, I just had it. You can have it like that and just add it. You just log it like that. So that's the one way to do it. Or then you can just have like scan food. So I'll just show you from my laptop. For example, I just had like steak, for example, and then I can just scan it. It actually has quite a good scanner, and then it's just separating all the ingredients. And then you can see 679 calories, protein, carbs. You can see the health score, fairly healthy. You can then add ingredients yourself. You can edit the number. You can fix results. It was like duck, not turkey. Just enter another prompt and then just done. And then you can see that after I had another porridge and after I had T-bone and then all other looks I have only 620 calories left. So that's super easy to log it like that. So that's the idea in here. So then I have saved foods. I can just easily log exercise. So then I can do like weightlifting. I get like 30 minutes of weightlifting low. And then just burned 88 calories. And then you can see my log incremented. So and now I have more calories. I can eat more because I did an exercise. So that's in a nutshell, that's the app of here. Super easy to use. And that's what it is. Then you have your progress, last weight, days logged. You just log it during 1 day, 7 days, total calories, your BMI, and then you have settings. So by the way, feel free to use my code. I can get $5. Probably you can also get something. Then you can adjust macronutrients, weight history, language. You can enable dark mode. You can enable live widgets, so it shows on your lock screen on dynamic island, or disable recalculating macros. And then there are also widgets, so you can also try to add a widget. Just tap and hold and add a widget. So you can just do this like that. For some reason, for me, it doesn't really work, but I just see a white screen. But anyway, and then you can delete your account and that's it. But like, I like this app, super easy and great to use. And also another thing, if you want to really buy this app, so when you upgrade it, when you're trying to upgrade and you close them, this upgrade pop-up, when you just close it, then you will have a nice offer like a yearly plan without free trial, but I guess it's like $20 deal, so it's like 50% discount or something. So don't upgrade on the first try, just wait a bit and then upgrade. Then you will get a nice discount deal. Then you also have streaks. I don't know, this is just streaks, and that's it. So just every day you log in these calories, and it can be really good. Sometimes you're kind of not hungry, but like you're kind of hungry, you don't know whether you want to eat, and then you log every food in this app, and then you look, okay, I have like 100 calories left, I can't really eat anymore, so you just push yourself not to eat. Or you just go in the restaurant and then you can scan these foods and kind of see, all right, like I can only eat that, not that, because I already had like 1,500 calories. So this can be really nice habit for you. You can try this app for 7 days, see if it works. And scanning here is super easy, and you understand where your additional calories are coming from. Like you can see, all right, like this McDonald's food is literally too much calories, and this is where all this like additional 1,000 calories coming from. Or you can just do exercise and then understand, all right, so with this exercise my calorie balance is getting in the norm. So that's what it is. So again, try it out. Thanks for watching.